relax, relax. Ooh. Okay, go 50 then. Go 50 then. 9, 50. Okay. Respect.
Yeah.
Respect. Hey, can we get something to wipe? Y'all got like a cloth or something? Anything. Matter of fact,
Viper.
No.
Come on.
I want to show. It's okay.
All right, go ahead.
Old school way.
Yeah, right. Go ahead.
Ready.
On you. Yeah, on you.
Yeah.
Go 70. On you. No. Go 60. 60.
60.
60.
Okay, let's go.
Hey,
We see who drops out first.
Chat throwing the Rwanda flag, boy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you need water?
No,
No water either?
I don't need water.
Yeah, we might be live on YouTube again tomorrow. It's been like a long time since we went live on YouTube. I think the last time we went live was sometime like 6 or 7 months ago. And I honestly didn't like being live on 2 platforms because I had to look at both chats. But I feel like we might try it tomorrow. If enough people request it, we might try YouTube as well. But Kick platform is so smooth to me.
Ben.
I like Kick the most.
Ben. Ben. Hello?
You want to see Ghana Ashton Hall? Ghana African Ashton Hall. That's too many names.
Ben.
Chat wants to know how many push-ups you can do. How many push-ups? I think you said the other day how many? 200?
200.
Is the most?
I can't go above.
No more? 200.
200.
Is it hard? It's challenging?
Ben, we need to go to House of Muscle.
How long does 200 take you?
100.
No, 200. How many seconds? How many minutes? 2
Minutes.
minutes? 2
No,
minutes?
no. Like 5 minutes.
1 second.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh, you can do them faster than
Get you the
that.
address.
Yeah.
Probably like 90 seconds.
90 seconds.
Yeah, you do your push-ups. Your push-ups, bro. You do 2 push-ups in like 1 second. Your push-ups are quick.
Yeah.
Each push-up you do is like maybe like 0.75 seconds. Not even a full second.
Yeah.
Because you go fast.
Yeah.
You're going fast. I do mine fast like that too.
Yeah, my push-up is my breakfast.
Easy.
Yeah.
Too easy.
Too easy.
Yeah, he can do sprints. He doesn't have a girlfriend.
Excuse me, sir. What's your
Does
name?
not. No limit
What's
on
your name?
push-ups.
I'm John. Tell him to call Isaac. You should call Isaac.
Isaac.
Yeah, tell him to call Isaac.
He said that he's John.
Yeah, I'm John.
John, I need you to pull over.
You know what?
Yeah, I need you to pull over somewhere. Go to the right. Go to the right. Pull over where you can.
Yeah, you wait.
We're not following them.
Yeah, we don't need to follow them because they're not going to the gym.
They're not going where we're going. We need to pull over.
Is that Freedom driving that car?
Yeah, in the green.
He's driving that? Or he's getting drove in it?
He's driving.
Oh, he is?
That boy drives himself.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's a tough car though. I don't know why.
That car is fire. What car is it?
That's a custom build. That's it.
I know it's... Okay, it's hot out here. They say Africa is hotter than Florida.
Yeah. But in Rwanda.
We're live? Let's go. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Drop them, drop them. Today we're at a zoo. We're also gonna do some activities. We'll work out. I'm gonna go to some local markets out in Ghana, which is also gonna be a vibe. Super excited about today. I got my guy, Ashton Small with me. You ready?
I'm ready. Ashton Small, I'm here.
Did you work out already?
Yeah.
You worked out this morning?
Always I'm ready to do everything.
I'm saying, did you work out? Did you do a workout this morning?
Yeah, I do.
You did?
I do.
What'd you do? What's the routine?
For making push-up only that.
Push-ups?
Yeah, and just,
all you need?
And just try to running somehow.
And you did running?
Yeah.
Where at?
Yeah, for sure.
At the hotel?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
In my room.
Chat, listen,
Yeah.
all you gotta do is live. All you gotta do is push-ups. You got no excuse. All you gotta do is push-ups. I don't know why I can't see it on my phone. Maybe the Wi-Fi is bad? Let me try to get off of Wi-Fi. W's in the chat. Man, I don't see anything. Wi-Fi is bad. All right, there it goes. We good. Come on, let's get it. Yeah. All right, so we're at the zoo today. We're gonna see a white tiger, right? So from what I hear, white tigers are very, very abnormal, right? You don't see those every day, so I'm excited to see them. I'm here with a good friend, Freedom. My first time meeting him today. I heard a lot of good things about him. He's one of the guys out here in Ghana, so we're actually gonna meet him right now. And like I said, today we're gonna do the zoo. We're gonna lift some weights. We'll go to the market, eat some food. Even though I feel like I'm putting on some weight. It's another story. What's up, brother?
What's up, brother?
How's everything? Well, you look good.
You too.
You look even better in person.
It's good
How's
to see
everything?
you. Very well. You look younger in person.
You gotta get me, right? You gotta get me one of these though.
Oh yeah, we have to.
I need one of those. What brand is that?
Oh, it's just Africa traditional stuff.
Oh really?
Yeah, so I gotta get you one.
That's smooth.
How's Ghana treating you?
Amazing.
You're almost beginning to look like one.
Really?
Like
it's that heat. It's the sun.
You know, he would tell you the people from the water side, the seaside.
Yeah.
That's how they're built.
Oh really?
Oh yeah. But why are you not showing them the seashore, the real hustlers there? You have to go let him find himself there, like, you know. Yeah.
We want to go to the outdoor gym.
Okay, that would be good. That would be good.
Yeah, that's the goal. Today we want to do the outdoor gym and then also the market.
Well, first of all, I'd like to say thank you very much for coming down to Ghana and, you know, looking out for the diaspora.
Yeah.
And, of course, your family over here.
Love.
You know, this is your home, too.
Yeah.
Africa is your home.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they told me if I'm coming to Africa, I got to come to Ghana first.
Of course. You
So
got to
we're
come
here.
to Ghana and see the African prince first.
We got to check
Then
in.
now you got the visa for
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Ooh, too easy.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
I ain't gonna do 50 now. I'm gonna do like 20, chat. I ain't doing 50. Relax. Ooh. Okay, go 50 then. Go 50 then. 9, 50. Okay. Respect.
Yeah.
Respect. Hey, can we get something to wipe? Y'all got like a cloth or something? Anything. Matter of fact,
Viper.
No. Come on. I want to show. It's too much. It's okay.
All right, go ahead.
Old school way.
Yeah, right. Go ahead.
Ready.
On you. Yeah, on you.
Yeah.
Go 70. On you. No. Go 60. 60.
60.
60.
Okay, let's go.
Hey,
We see who drops out first.
Chat throwing the Rwanda flag, boy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 1, 2,